This is my solo canoe. I mounted a trolling motor on it. Just use the power head and then steer left and right. I have to be careful on this one because the steering is very tight. Push too far to one side and you will probably flip if you push it too fast. This is the start of the Cat-a-Canoe or Canoe-Moran. I tried to build it so it could be tore down and thrown in my van. This is the console for the 15-foot canoe. Steering on this is like a regular steering. Here I'm trying to figure out if I can put a motor in the middle. This console ended up actually being on the 14-foot mirror craft. Nothing fancy. Go-kart steering wheel. And you wrap that paracord around that steering shaft, and that'll give you multiple revolutions on the wheel, so you don't turn and flip yourself over with a quarter turn. You have to turn a few rotations. You can see the power head is just mounted in the box. Nothing, I didn't take anything apart, nothing special. Cut the handle off and mounted my own little shifter. Camo duct tape for the first go round, but of course that started peeling off. Here's the two electric canoes side by side. Ended up painting the console green, taking the duct tape off. So here's the 15-footer. That steering wheel will turn 3 rotations each direction, so you're not going to roll the canoe. Here's the start of the framework. Wanted to keep it simple as possible. Just a platform in the middle. It does all break down. Well, the whole platform is 3 pieces. Two outriggers and then the platform, basically. I just threw some carpet on it. I had carpet laying around. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff laying around. I don't like getting rid of stuff because I end up reusing it somehow. Build the next project.